What is going on, guys? We are back, and today we are doing the wing. I've already wrapped the bottom part of it, so I need to wrap in here, and then I'll flip it over and I'll do the top. So we're going to start doing this and when this is done, we'll get it put back on the car. Okay, so we're just going to wipe this down with some alcohol. Try to get it all clean, all the dust off of it before we wrap it. I decided I'm going to do the top first because I can use a piece out of this one to do the inside part. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, we're going to let this dry, and then I already have this piece cut out. It should fit on here. We'll start from one end and we'll kind of work our way around. It shouldn't be too bad though. We've already done the bottom, so we're just gonna overlap here on the edge, and then we'll just use our knife to cut it. Lay this out. Should cover the top. So I'm gonna spray down with this again. Wrap the pack. Okay, so the wrap is still looking good this morning. I got the wing wrapped last night. It looks really good, other than I got a couple of little spots on the bottom that kind of messed up, but you shouldn't really be able to tell that. The part you can see looks really good. So that's done. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this back on the car, and this will all be ready to go. Okay, so we got it tied a little bit down so I can put the spoiler back on top a little easier. I've already poked holes in where the spoiler mounts to, and then we will put this on. So should just be just a second. So what we did is we put some Gorilla Tape on here, two-sided tape, before we put this thing on, so when we do put it on we can pull this back and it should stick to the deck lid as well. But I want to put that on there before we decided to screw it down. That way once we have the bolts in there, we can slowly take that, we can peel that up out of the way. This is all on there. It's solid. This is done. It looks pretty good. That is the end of this video. So this is done. We're still waiting on the bumper to get back. We'll take the front off, get it done, and then this car will be ready to go. Any questions, please leave them below in the comments. Like this video. Take care and have a great day.